Last one. And the last one is a little trickier. It's twill weave. It's strong. It's what all denim is woven as. And you've got to remember over 2, under 1, over 2, under 1. All right? So we go over 2, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 2, under 1. There we go. Then the next one, I'm going to start in a different spot. So if I started here, I'm going to start that spot. So I'm going to go over 2, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 2. And I'll do the same thing. Let's see here, if I started there. Over 2, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 2. This guy has to be, there we go. Now, because there are 3 spots, I'm starting back over again. So there are 3 different intersections, so 3 different parts that are involved with the pattern. 2 over, 1 under, 2 over, 1 under, 2 over. So when we do this, because it's the repetition isn't very great because of how small we're working with. If it was on a big loom, you'd understand this would probably be a little bit easier for you to see it. But I'm going to go over 2 because I started here, then I started there, then I started here. So now I'm starting all over again. So over 2, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 2, under 1. And do you see the pattern that's forming? It's at a diagonal. So my over 2 starts here. So I'm going to do under 1, over 2, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 2. And third one. You see the diagonal forming. It could be this way too. Isn't that cool? It's really neat. So we're starting back over again. Over 2, under 1, over 2, under, oops, 1, over 2, under 1. And I got one more. Remember, this is what's called a twill weave. That was awesome.